Tell you about the Usborne book called Coding for Beginners Using Scratch. And Scratch is an online coding program that's meant to teach coding to kids. And this book really breaks it down for kids and allows them to create games and animations, paint their own characters, play music and sound, and so on. So if you look at the book, it's a $14.99 price point, which is a really good deal. It's hardcover and it's spiral bound, so it lays flat. And inside it breaks down like what is Scratch, starting coding, and then it has first projects. And they're obviously designed for kids, starting real simple, moving in towards games and other useful stuff. So if you turn, it talks about what is coding, why is it important, what types of things use coding, and then it goes into the beginnings of using Scratch. Because when kids first open it, it can look kind of overwhelming. Like, what is all this? And so what it does is it really breaks it down for them so they can see how and when to get started. So on this one, for example, is their first activity called Cat and Mouse. And it tells you the object of the game is to keep your mouse pointer one step ahead of the cat. The cat touches the mouse pointer, it says got you, and the game is over. So it shows you how to build it using the different blocks, and it explains why you need those blocks. Okay, so it goes step by step by step until you finish the game. And then this one is dancing sprites. This one's building a band. Okay. This one's Boo. Drawing. Find out how to turn your sprite into a pen using the loops to make it draw different shapes. I think my nephew did this one and really enjoyed it. Once Upon a Time. How to make a twist, an animated story with surprise twists. Painting sprites. Guess the number. Bat and ball. Pattern maker. Virtual pet. Who's not going to want a virtual pet, honestly? Let's be honest. And then going into games, because it kind of takes you through the basics with all those practice activities, and now they can really start getting into the game part of Scratch. And then when they grow up, they can get a job coding and make more money than we could ever imagine, right? Isn't that where everything's going? And it just goes on and on and on. Pop, balloon pop. Okay, and so on. So that is Coding for Beginners Using Scratch.